They playing? Hi, I'm Izaak Buffin. This is my new ride. Check here. You got the Yoooo brand Tamil tires. Wow, look at those.
Hey,
and you're running the profile chrome polished wheels with the 7K and the hazard. Wow, would you look at that?
Sam, can we go
And connected to those, you will see my black cult sect forks. They're tapered at the edges, so they look quite thin, but they will not snap. And then we have the beauty, the Take IV4 frame. Looks quite nice in the sparkles, gets the ladies' attention. And attached to that is the Odyssey headset with the profile stem, acoustic one, and the Slam Grand Slam bars from S&M. The speed goes on his back. Turn off. No, keep on.